Hello, everyone, and welcome to Peapod Creations. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a composition notebook cover, um, which are very viral, especially since school is about to start. So I'm going to go ahead and hop into it, and then later on, I will tell you a little bit of what I'm doing first with the designs that I have. So the very first thing is that you're going to want to go to custom size. For the custom size, it is a 7.5 by 9.75. That is the dimensions. You will see that here, 7.5 by 9.75. So that's basically the only thing that you really need to know as far as for when it comes to designing. But I always suggest that you measure your composition notebook because some composition notebooks may slightly differ in size. For me, I use the staple composition notebooks, and this size fits perfect on mine. So, with further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start designing, and then after that, I'll go ahead and talk to you about where maybe you'll be able to purchase the designs that I have. So I'm going to fast forward it as I design it. All right, everyone. So I have designed my cover. I do apologize. It is raining. But so if you hear the noise in the background, it's just that it's raining where I'm at right now. But for this design, it is quick and easy. That's basically the only thing that you really have to do. Is just design it. Make sure that the canvas is, like I said, a 7.5 by 6. I'm sorry, 9.75. Um, and all you have to do from here is just print it out. Now, for the ones that I do have, I am going to go ahead and put these on my Etsy page, where you can either just purchase the plain canvas with just with no name or anything like that, and you can add it yourself, or I can personalize for you with adding a name and then changing the grade, or I probably am going to offer this in a Canva template as well, where you can change or move the characters around. Um, I'm just showing you a little bit of some of the ones that I've been working on um, so far. On this one, I do have more, but yes. So that is a quick tutorial. If you would like for me to show you how to assemble them, just leave a comment down below. Or if you also may be interested in doing like the whole set with the Crayola, the markers, the crayons, the color pencils, the glue and the glue sticks, and even if you want to do the pencil labels, just comment down below if you want a tutorial for that, and I will definitely make a tutorial as soon as I get a response. Um, but this was a quick and simple, easy video. I just want to thank you so much for watching my video all the way through. Um, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, share this video out to someone if they are in search of trying to find out how to do it and how to create it. Um, and just once again, always be the best you that you can be. Don't be afraid to take steps and get yourself out there. But I hope that y'all have a great day.